Testing. Hello. I'm over here, mate. Why don't you track my face? Camera. Hello, I am Adam. On today's podcast...
You're not allowed to shoot here with a professional camera.
It's not a professional camera, mate.
Yes, it is. I can see it. It's got a big lens on it.
So, where are you going? So today on the podcast, we have got a topic that is very close to my heart. And one of those topics is this. Don't look at my spots. Don't do it. All right? Just don't. Right, anyway, this is a test. This is never going to go on YouTube. Or it might actually go on YouTube. Content. People love content. Focus up, mate. What is your issue? God, you buy all this gear. Yes, I'm a professional. You should trust all the advice I'm going to give you. If you put some money in my account, I will give you the secrets to being better at filmmaking. Yeah, this is a standing podcast. That's new, isn't it? You've never seen one of them before. What do you think of the inflation today from the budget? Yeah, I've got leads, I've got wires, I've got all sorts of stuff. I probably should have just sat at my desk and done this because it's all set up to go. Look, I set it up for streaming and it's ready to rock. Technically don't like the right side of profile of my face. It's not as handsome as the left. See? Whoa, this dude is having a hard time, guys. That's what she said. I'm here all week. I even broke the mic stand. It's an old one, so I'm not surprised it broke. I was forcing this rather fat thing into a small space and it snapped. Being experienced as I am, just carried on. I didn't even try and fix it. So the camera's been recording for 4 minutes, so that means that's a 4-minute podcast. This is 4-minute Thursday. Maybe that should be 5-minute Thursday. I could stretch it to 5 minutes. I do have... Actually, I don't actually need to go... Actually. I'm just going to use one of these. So if you're a filmmaker, there's certain bits of kit that you should have in your repertoire. Clamps and clips and things like this. Solved. I got all that experience from working out in the field. What are you going to do? I went to film school. To all those young aspiring filmmakers out there, please don't give up. Don't get disheartened. YouTube, while it is great, and I am turning to YouTube, coming from the outside working environment, you might be starting at YouTube level and want to go out and work, and you might be thinking to yourself, I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? Well, the fact is, I don't know. That's why I'm turning to YouTube. Focus your energy and your time. Well, I do love the sound of this microphone, by the way. I always have. From the moment I bought it for streaming, I was like, wow. I'm not going to get all ASMR on you, but it's fantastic. You're looking at my spot again, aren't you? Don't do it. That has been today's podcast. This is not a professional microphone. And, yeah. Just got to breathe sometimes, haven't you? Anyway, that's it. I'm going. You can't make me. What?